Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how we can figure out the temperature from onboard thermometer. Now let's break down this into 3 points. Installing Thonny, adding Micropython to Pico and uploading the code. Open your Chrome browser and search for thonny.org. Click on the first link and here you see download versions for Windows, Linux and Mac. So select the desired version and download it. Here I have downloaded for Mac and you can also download it for Windows and Linux in the same way. So right after it's downloaded, here you need to continue and agree with the terms and conditions and the installation will start happening. It takes like few seconds and once it is done, we will move ahead to the next step. So once it is downloaded, we will open it up. So here you see our new script to write Python programs. So first thing you need to do is click on tools and click on options. Here you see an interpreter, click on that and select the desired board. After connecting your Raspberry Pi PICO to the computer, you will see the appearing boards. Now select the interpreter as Micropython and close the window. Now before writing the first code, let's install Micropython. Google search for Micropython installation UF2 files. Okay, here this link will be given in the description. You can copy from there. Click on Micropython and click on the link to download it. Okay, and then once it is downloaded, hold the boot button and connect your USB cable to your laptop and then leave it. So here you can see the downloaded file and Raspberry Pi disk. So copy paste in that. Now our Micropython has been activated. Now let's check whether our Micropython has been activated or not. So go to shell and then give a command print hello. Here you can see we got an output named hello. It means it has been activated. Now let's move on to our coding part. Here you see the code to check the temperature. So let me just explain you how this code works. So the first thing is here we have to import ADC and time libraries, which will help us to read the analog values and convert them into digital data. And here you see an object ADC, which will help us to read the voltage as the 5th pin, as in the 4th pin is connected to the temperature sensor. The voltage at ADC pin will read 16 bits of digital data. Here we will get a reading in the range of 0 to 65535 and the voltage range up to 0 to 3.3. So we will multiply the reading ADC with 3.5 divided by 65535. Now we will convert the temperature into degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. So after this, we will give a print statement to show the temperature with the delay of 500 milliseconds. Now let's save this. So here you need to click on save it on Raspberry Pi Pico. Make sure you put the file name as main.py only. So apart from that, if you put some other name, it won't take it or it won't save it. So if you have already uploaded the code, it will show it if you want to overwrite it, and just click on yes and then run it. So this is the run command and just click on it. Now it's time to see the results. You can see the temperature has been increasing. Now I will just show you a demo so that you can find the difference in that. I'll take my Raspberry Pi Pico and light it up with some fire. As you saw, the temperature was 32 degrees Celsius, and now let's see the increase in the temperature. As you can see, the temperature has increased up to 56 degrees Celsius. Now that's all for today. In case if you like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.